Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner, and today's session is designed to guide you through deep self-discovery. In the next few minutes, I will ask you 10 powerful questions. These questions are meant to help you uncover your strengths, purpose, and unique path in life. You don't need to rush for answers. Just relax, listen, and allow your mind to reveal what is true for you. Some answers may come immediately, while others will unfold in the hours or days to come. Simply trust the process. No one else is listening. Let the answers come from the core of who you are, honest and real. Take a deep breath in now and exhale slowly. What is your core ability? Something that makes you unique and different? If you were a soul choosing this human experience before birth, why do you think you chose this specific life? What is your most important life lesson so far? What personal challenge in this lifetime do you feel you're meant to overcome? When do you feel most aligned, most like your true self? What recurring patterns in your life are trying to teach you something? What are 3 qualities about yourself that you deeply appreciate? If there were no limitations, what dream or goal would you pursue fully? What is one action you can take today to move closer to your true self? If you could meet your future self from 10 years from now, what advice would they give you today? If you could look back at your childhood self, what wisdom or insight would you take from them? Who are you evolving into? Now, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Let these questions settle into your subconscious, whether they appear as words, images, or feelings. Trust that more insights will come to you in the coming days. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. Thank you for joining me today. For more transformative hypnotherapy sessions, download our app at hypnocloud.com